Once you get your socks on, go ahead and kneel in front of the wall with your back towards it. Now, with this one, what typically happens is that we end up feeling like our hands need to be further forward, when in fact our hands should be as close to the wall as it makes you want to feel uncomfortable, okay? That's the feeling we're going for. So plant your hands down kind of towards the sides of your knees. Lift your butt up and bring your shin to the wall. That's too close. Step forward a little bit and slide up so that you're on your shins. Almost like a down dog on my shins. Then from here, I'm going to rise up onto the balls of my feet, lean forward, and slide my knees towards my arms. Down the wall into my crow. This is a great way for you to use the leverage of the wall to help you slow down. But the socks are going to make that lower down a little bit faster. So make sure you have a landing pad out in front of you if you're worried. Use your fingertips as brakes. Bend your elbows as soon as you come down. And keep trying this over and over again. Don't just give up the first try.